In this episode of Vision Auto Garage, we chase patchwork through to the rear bulkhead and finish the floor pan repair.
In order to properly repair the floor, I need to get rid of all the nasty patches around the rear bulkhead and spring hanger, as well as removing some of the front cross member. After about an hour of cutting and grinding, I've reached a point where I'm ready to fit up our rear floor pan. Now the problem here again wasn't rust, but it was the patchwork of previous repairs, which has actually extended right into and through the rear bulkhead. With the floor now clear of patches, I trimmed down the new floor pan to a more manageable size and clamped it into position in the same way I did with the front. To help locate it at the rear, I bolted it to the spring seat and made sure that all the holes lined up. When everything was good, I marked around the joint. Once I'd cut around my marks and cleaned back the edges, the panel was ready for welding.
Using exactly the same process as I did on the front, I'm now going to tack and stitch weld our floor pan repair.
After linishing back the welds and a quick coat of primer, that's the job done.
In the next episode of Vision Auto Garage, we fabricate a new front to the footwell and install the toe board. If you'd like more regular updates and photos on our progress, please check out our Facebook and Instagram accounts on the links in the description. Thanks for watching.